guys, I'm back with another video of the series called as Unboxing the D-Store Box. So in today's video, let's see which product we are going to unbox from this D-Store box that I have. So let's unbox. See? So, what is this? You guys might be wondering. Okay, let me give you a closer glance. This is the apple cider vinegar foaming face wash. It's a very amazing product and I have been using this since like number of days and I am like the biggest fan of it. It is like free from parabens. There are no parabens, no silicons and no color. None of those harmful things used in this face wash. The biggest like USP of this face wash is its pump. It comes in a pump bottle and along with it, as you all can see, there is a brush. So what happens is when you pump, like the foam comes out, the face wash, foam comes out and then you can use this brush. This is how you can remove the cover and then you can start using this brush. Look at the brush, it is so mild on your skin but still like a very good exfoliator and a cleaner. So let me tell you why this face wash is really good and different from others, because it has the apple cider vinegar. Now I think by now all the Instagram, Facebook generation that we are in, everybody knows what is ACV, like apple cider vinegar, and we already are well versed with its like benefits for weight loss, for the body and so on. But along with that, it also has like numerous benefits with your skin. Now the ACV, the apple cider vinegar, it like balances your skin's pH levels and it also removes your discoloration, pigmentation, it fades the dark spots and it also kills the acne causing germs. So as you can see, I like have developed a few zits and few pimples here and there, but after using this they have really gone down in size and it's like just clearing out. So it fights those bacteria which causes your pimples and it stops the new ones from coming in, and it also gives your skin a very good texture because it does a mild exfoliation, that is its property. So because of the exfoliation given by the ACV itself and also by the brush which is attached to it, like your skin is like it gets rid of all the dead cells which has like accumulated since days. So I use this now. I'm religiously using this every morning after I wake up, and also when I go to bed. Before that I wash my face with this, and I have clearly noticed like a lot of difference in my skin tone, the texture of my skin. I mean, I would not say, it will be unfair to say that it does a little bit of lightening effect as well, but I'm not a huge fan of skin lightening products because you know that's the thing of the past. Now everybody should learn to be good and comfortable in their own skin tones and skin color, and that is what I support that ideology. So I do not promote something that is like skin lightening, but it does to some extent. It even outs your skin, and if there's any tan or something it removes and it lightens your skin tone. But I would not like highlight that point. What I would highlight is it clears off your skin, so automatically your skin starts looking brighter, like plump, softer, and there's automatically a glow on your face. So yeah, let's get a trial of this. As you all saw, the effect of it from the very first wash. So this is really a good product, and it is not even that expensive. I'll be linking the price of it in my stories and also in the description of my IGTV video. So please watch it, watch the description, and you all can just ping me if you guys want to order it. And we are shipping all across India. It's pan India, so this will reach to you at the comfort of your house. You don't even need to step out in this scenario of COVID. So what can be better than this? And if you guys are really interested in buying this, I will also link the pictures of it, the professional ones. This is the unprofessional pictures, raw, but also the professional ones. Its price, its shipping, everything will be linked in my stories and its description. So yes, just go and buy it for yourself. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. And so keep following for more such amazing products. Keep following D-Store. Its Instagram handle is dstore9010. And yes, do give this video a thumbs up or share it or like it. And see you in the next video.